Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. Today we will start with the new topic, that is reasoning. Page number 28, chapter 21. Try a fun way of communicating with your friends. Given below is the secret language of Morse code. So here you can see Morse code, and Morse code is given from A to Z, okay? And when you want to talk with your friends in a fun way, then you can try this Morse code, okay? So if you want to write A, then how you should write? You have to write dot and hyphen, okay, or dash. B hyphen dot dot dot. C hyphen dot hyphen dot. D hyphen dot dot. E, here is one black dot and one is white dot. F dot dot hyphen dot. G dot dot hyphen hyphen dot. H dot 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 dot. I dot dot. J dot hyphen hyphen hyphen. K hyphen dot hyphen. L dot hyphen dot dot. M hyphen hyphen. N hyphen dot. O hyphen hyphen hyphen. P dot hyphen hyphen dot. Q hyphen hyphen dot hyphen. R dot hyphen dot. S dot dot dot. T hyphen. U dot dot hyphen. V dot 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 hyphen. W dot hyphen hyphen. X hyphen dot dot hyphen. Y hyphen dot hyphen hyphen. Z hyphen hyphen dot dot. So instead of writing A, B or anything, you can use this Morse code, okay? You can try this with your friends. So we will move on to the next page, that is, based on given code, answer the following questions. Write the words in coded language. First one is done for you. So what you have to do is, here some words are given, okay? So you have to write this each word, each alphabet in alphabet by using Morse code, okay? That code you have to use. So Delhi, D means hyphen dot dot. E means black dot white dot. Then L dot hyphen dot dot. H dot 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 dot. I dot dot. Like this, in the same way you have to write these words in coded language, okay? So number B, identify the code language and write the words. First one is done for your help. So here also above words were given, then you have to write these words in coded form. Below coded forms are given, then you have to write these code words into alphabet, okay? Like this you have to write mobile. So dot 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 means S, okay? Hyphen hyphen means M. Dot hyphen means A. Dot hyphen dot means R. Then only hyphen means T. So in the same way we have to change this coded language into words, okay? Then next is, read the following table. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A to Z it is given here, okay, alphabets. So Below each alphabet there is also alphabet, okay? Different alphabets are there, not in proper order, okay? Above the alphabets are in proper order, that is from A to Z, but below there are alphabets which are not in proper order. So here below A there is alphabet Y, below B alphabet B, C A, below D B, E C F D. So in this way it is written. So what you have to do is, based on above code, answer the following question. First one is being done for you. So first you have to see this code, okay? You have to see the given code and you have to write, okay? You have to answer, you have to fill this one, okay? S. Below S, what is there? Q. So here it is written Q. And C. Below C, what is there? A. So A. I. And below I, what is there? Z. It is written like this. E. Below E, what is there? D. Below E there is C, okay? N. And below N, what is there? L. And below C, what is there? A. And below E, what is there? C. So in this way you have to write this answer also, okay? And number D is complete the series. So one is A C E, second is Z I K M O Q. Then what will be the answer here? That is S U W. You may be thinking how this answer came. That means here A C E. You have to skip this one. You have to write A, then you skip B, then write C, then skip D, then E. That means 3 alphabet together. Then again you skip F, then G, then skip H, then comes I, then you skip J, then comes K, okay? Then you skip L, M, then again you skip N, O, then you skip P, then Q. So you skip R, then S comes, then you skip T, U, then when you skip V, then W, like this, okay? You have to write. In the same way you have to do the following questions also. So number E is solve the puzzle. Hint: answers are name of any body part. So here some questions are there, so some hints are given. That means these answers will be related to your body part, okay? So and some hints are given below. From you have to see this and you have to write the answer. Number 1 question is a thing that a carpenter uses. So what does the carpenter uses? Nail. That is also related to our body part, right? So you have to write nail. The carpenter which he uses also, that is called nail. Number 2, something that a shoe has. What does the shoe has? Sole. Okay, our body part is also, one of the part of the body is sole. Number 3, type of tree, that is palm. And our body part, this is also called palm, okay? Number 4, excess of anything, that is abdomen. Number 5, symbol of love, that is related to our body, that is heart. 6, an animal like a rabbit which runs fast, that is hare, okay? One side of a coin, that is head. In coin there is 2 sides, that is head and tail. So one side of coin is head. 8, looks like a walnut. Walnut It looks like a walnut. That is the part of our body that is brain. 9. Something that a table has. A table has leg, okay, and our body also has leg. Number 10. What do you call yourself? I. Okay. Number 11. Your body has two. It's put in a shoe. What is it? That is foot. So the next topic is brain teasers. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Find the odd one out. So here you have to find out the odd ones. Okay. Number A. 300, 669, 750, 570. Here the odd number is 669. Number B. Mother, father, friend, sister. So friend is the odd one. Number C. Saturn, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Libra is the odd one. Number D. Library, classroom, computer lab, bus. Bus is the odd one. Number 2. Look at the series 3, 9, 27, 81 dash. What number should come next? Options are given here: 162, 243, 324, 729. Your answer is 243. Number 3. Look at the series 4, 6, 8, 12, 12, 18 dash. What number should come next? That is 16. Number 4. I have 95 rupees in my pocket. I have to share this money with 5 friends equally. How much should I give each of them? So options are: number A 10 rupees, number B 19 rupees, number C 35 rupees, and number D 9 rupees and 5 paise. So if you have 5 friends, then you have to equally divide that 95 rupees, and you can divide each one 19 rupees. Number 5. If I have an odd number of candies in my pocket, how many candies could I have? So options are 7, 10, 16, 20. So the odd number of candies is 7. Number B. Read the words and figure out relationship between them. Here you have to find out the relationship between teacher and doctor. That is, teacher is student, then doctor is, here the options are given: nurse, patient, client, manager. So the doctor and patient. Number 2. Horse, mount, then train, journey, rise, shoe, board. Train and board, because we board on train. Okay. Number 3. Day, night, north. So options are east, west, south, compass. North, south. Number 4. India, we call it rupee, then UK, dollar, pound, yuan, dirham. So yuan. Okay. Number 5. India, Delhi, USA. You have to write here the capital: Washington DC, New York, Florida, Canada. That answer is Washington DC. Number C. Virat Kohli, cricketer, and Hima Das, boxer, tennis player, swimmer, athlete. Answer is Hima Das, athlete. Number 7. Machine, mend, document, edit, sue, repair. None of these. Document, edit. Number 8. Summers, ice cream, winters, hot coffee, melon, Ruhafza, cheese. That is winter's hot coffee. Number 9. CPU, RAM, human body, brain, heart, senses, human brain. Number 10. Karnataka, Bengaluru, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Mussoorie, Srinagar, Simla. Uttarakhand and Dehradun. Number 11. Ajmer Sharif, Muslim. Then Kedarnath, Buddhism, Sikhism, Christianity, Hinduism. Kedarnath is Hinduism. So students, this much for today. Then I will send all these answers through WhatsApp. Okay, everyone, you check your WhatsApp. I will send all the answers in WhatsApp. Thank you.